Welcome back to the Wfh Korna. Are you ready to redefine your career on your terms? Stay locked in as we discuss some important steps to becoming a virtual assistant. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a total newbie, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you succeed in the VA world. Step 1, define your niche. First things first, let's pinpoint your expertise, right? You'd want to identify your skills and passions, whether it's social media management, email correspondence, or customer service. Specializing in a niche will make you stand out and attract the right clients. Now, step 2, skill development. This is equally as crucial. If you ask me, probably the most crucial step, because if you're going to do something, do it right. Right? So platforms like Allison.com, LinkedIn Learning, Skillshare, and even Udemy, they offer fantastic courses on everything from time management to organization and even mastering virtual tools. Building a strong skill set will boost your confidence and marketability. I found an incredible free virtual assistant course on Allison.com. This course covers the fundamentals of being a successful virtual assistant. So check out the link in my description box below to access it and enhance your skills. You can even take it a step further and purchase the certificate, as they are recognized in the US and UK. It is about $17 to $30 USD, depending on whether you just want the digital copy or if you'd want it in the printed version. If you ask me, that's the least you can do, to invest in yourself. Just buy one less suit or wig of Shein or Temu. Step 3, create a professional online presence. So after you've done the courses, it's now time to get noticed, right? Craft a killer online presence to showcase your skills. You can create a professional website or optimize your LinkedIn profile, and consider starting maybe a blog or portfolio to highlight your achievements. Clients want to know you're the real deal, so put your best foot forward. And you can let me know if you'd want some advice on how to create an outstanding portfolio from Canva. Step 4, network like a pro. Networking is the name of the game. So you want to join virtual assistant communities on platforms like Facebook, yes, Facebook, and LinkedIn. You can attend seminars and engage in discussions, and don't be afraid to reach out to other virtual assistants for advice. Networking can open doors to potential clients and collaborations. No, the girlies on TikTok are out and about as well, and they're not holding back on information, so stalk their profiles. Step 5, market yourself effectively. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your expertise. You're already on it, so use it wisely. Share valuable content, engage your audience, and consider offering free resources or webinars to establish yourself. Word of mouth is powerful, so make sure your clients become your biggest advocates. A bonus tip for the newbies: gain experience through freelance platforms. Now, for those of you starting from scratch, consider gaining experience through platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. It's a great way to build your portfolio, gain testimonials, and get your foot in the virtual door, so to speak. Remember, becoming a virtual assistant is a journey. It's not a destination. And with determination and the right steps, you can turn your skills into a thriving online career. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and share it with anyone dreaming of becoming a virtual assistant. Good luck on your exciting journey. Bye for now.